In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in into Zoom meetings. If you've been sent an invite to a Zoom meeting, you typically receive either a meeting ID or a personal link name, or a direct link you can click. We're going to walk through both of those options so you can get in quickly and with confidence. First, let's start from your Zoom workspace, which simply means the Zoom app or the web interface where you usually see your Zoom home screen. Look for the Join button. It's right on the main screen and is often one of the most visible options. Go ahead and click Join. A small window will pop up asking for the meeting ID or the personal link name. These are the unique details your host shares with you so you land in the right meeting. The meeting ID is usually a string of numbers. The personal link name is a custom text link chosen by the host. If you were given either of those, just paste it into the field. If you're typing it in, take a moment to double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after, and that you haven't mixed up similar-looking characters. Accuracy here saves time. Once you've entered the meeting ID or personal link name, you're set. Zoom will use that information to connect you to the correct meeting room. If you see a prompt to continue or proceed, simply follow it, and you'll be taken right where you need to go. That's the entire process when you start from the Join button. Now, let's cover the other common way to get in. A clickable link. If your host sent you a link, this is often the fastest route. Just click on the link they provided. Your device will open Zoom and take you straight to the meeting. On some systems, you might see a quick confirmation asking if you want to open Zoom. Confirm that, and you'll be connected automatically. This method skips typing entirely, which reduces the chance of small mistakes. To recap, you have two simple paths. Click, join in your Zoom workspace, and paste the meeting ID or personal link name you were given. Or, click the direct link from your invite and let Zoom do the rest. Keep the details your host provides handy. Copy them exactly as they are. And consider joining a minute early so you're ready when the meeting starts. That's all you need to successfully get into your Zoom meetings.